The Wise Little Squirrel. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a wise little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was known for his clever thinking and kind heart. One sunny day, Nutty was playing with his friends when he noticed a group of birds struggling to build their nests. The wind had blown away their twigs and leaves, leaving them in a bit of a mess. Nutty hopped over and said, "Hello, feathered friends. How can I help you today?" The leader of the birds, Tweety, chirped sadly. "The wind ruined our nests, and now we don't have enough twigs to rebuild them." Nutty thought for a moment and then smiled. "Don't worry, Tweety, I have an idea. Follow me." He led the birds to a nearby tree where a kind old owl lived. The owl was known for collecting all sorts of things over the years. Nutty explained the situation to the owl, and the wise old bird graciously offered twigs and leaves from his collection. The birds were overjoyed. With Nutty's clever thinking and the owl's generosity, the birds were able to build even better nests than before. They sang songs of gratitude, and the forest echoed with their cheerful melodies. The moral of the story: in times of trouble, a little kindness and clever thinking can make a big difference. Nutty's wise actions taught everyone that helping others is a wonderful way to make the world a better place. And so, in the heart of the enchanted forest, the animals lived happily ever after, always remembering the wise little squirrel named Nutty and the day he helped the birds in need.